This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. There is always a risk when investing in the stock market. These videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock. It is always advised to do your own research and to keep learning more and more about any strategies used in these videos. Welcome back to the channel. I hope all had a good weekend, and going forward, I hope all have a prosperous week. We're going to jump into week 36 of our Roth. And looking at the account total is currently sitting at $14,292.13. Today is the 30th of August, and I've updated that account balance to $14,292.13. So I'm going to jump into account history here real quick. And looking from last week, the blink call expired. The wish, it didn't get up to our strike price. I was watching that throughout the week to make sure it didn't go above our strike price. GoPro also expired. The Zynga, we had a $9 call, and Zynga did go above $9. It was actually right at $9. So it did get a sign, and they did end up selling those at $9. So we're going to look at this week, and we'll just go down the line here. AGNC is part of our little dividend. ETFs, Blink. Currently our cost per basis is $37.71 a share. We're going to come over, click on the down arrow, go to options chain. So looking at Blink 4 days out here, September 3rd is currently at $30.79. We have a cost basis of 37 plus. So looking, coming down here, the $37 one would be $3, as well as the 36. So we're gonna, Blink is one of those, you know, it's in the EV space. It has a really good chance of shooting up or down quite a bit. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and sell the $37 call. So you find the one you want, you'll come over here, click on trade. So reading this, we have Blink September 3rd, $37 strike price, a call option, sell to open. Quantity of 1, we have 100 shares. The market is open, so I'll do a market order. I'll review and submit this one. Going down the line here, we got Wish. Cost basis $10.31 a share. Come over, click on the down arrow, go to options chain. Checking our date, we are 4 days out. Wish is up 12 cents, is at 706. It's starting to move up some. Our cost basis is around $10. We've been selling the $8 call. I think I'm going to do that again. So watching it, that means that I'm selling a call that's below my cost basis, so I will have to monitor this, and definitely by Friday before market close make sure that it's not at $8 or above. So I'm finding the one I want. I'm going to click right here on trade. So reading this, we have Wish, expiration the 3rd of September, $8 strike price. It is a call option. I'm going to sell the open, and this should be 3. Let's change that to 3 because we have a total of 300 shares. This is a market order. I'll review and submit this order. Next, Corsair Gaming, Nano Dimensions, Orbital Energies. These will keep going here until the 17th. So next is GoPro. We have 200 shares. Looking at the cost basis is currently $11.36 a share. Come over, click the down arrow, go to options chain. Looking at, we're 4 days out. 1150 will be the first one above our cost basis. It's currently at $9.99. I think I'm gonna sell. I'm gonna sell the. So I could sell the 1050, but there's a chance it might go up to that. I think I'm gonna sell the $11. So I'm gonna sell the $11. That means I will have to monitor this because it will be a little bit below our cost basis. Find the one you want, come over, click on trade. So we have GoPro, expiration the 3rd of September, $11 strike price. It is a call option, sell to open. We're going to do 2. We have 200 shares. We could do 2 contracts. Will be a market order. I'll review and submit this one. So that is all of our calls. Looking at cash on hand, we're currently at $1,000 $391.96. You know, Zynga here, they sold our shares, and it was at $9. It's at $9.09. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sell a put on Zynga for $9. So we'll come to the drop down arrow, go to options chain, and looking at Zynga is currently at 9.09, so $9.09. We're looking at puts this time. We're looking to buy a stock. So with the $9 put, you know, I could even do the $8.50 to play it even safer. But Zynga, I'm going to go ahead and sell the $9 one. So you find the one you want, and then you click right here on trade. And we read puts the same way we do calls. Zynga, expiration of third, $9 strike price. It's a put option. That will be the only difference. We're going to sell to open. We're going to do a quantity of 1. It will be a market order. I'll review and submit this. So that will leave us with about $400. And since we did sell some calls that's above our strike price or below our strike price, we got to make sure we keep some cash on hand in case we need to buy those back. So let's go to history. So looking at history here, the Zynga put, GoPro, we had 2 of those, the 3 wish calls, and the blink. Today we made a total of $18.35, $2.69, $25.01, and $2.35. So with those totals of $2.35, $25, $2.69, and $18.35, we get a total of $48.40. So for August, $48.40. Well, at least it's higher than our lowest month. So, you know, in business, which I do kind of look at this like a business, sometimes you have your slow months. This is a slow month, or week actually, $48.40. So $50 this week. Again, always make sure that you have your own plan, you're doing your own thing, and that as long as you're moving in the direction you want to go, it's still a win. So guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.